Hi everyone, Rendisa here. Thanks for joining me for Tidbit Tuesday here in the Digitally Savvy and Social Collective. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create your very own links page or Instagram landing page on your WordPress site and why it is important or helpful to do so. So there are several tools out there that have taken the limits, lifted the limits, if you will, off of Instagram's one link in the bio by creating a platform where you can easily add your own links and offers. And one of the most popular ones is Linktree, where you can create a page through Linktree, have all of your links on that page, and then link that link to your Instagram bio. I was using Linktree up until somewhere about a year and a half ago until I realized, hey, I have my own website. So I could just create my own links page on my own website. And if I'm touting to be a web designer, that's definitely something that I should know how to do and be able to do for my clients. So there are several benefits to having your own landing page or links page on your website. And most important is branding. It's all about your business name and your brand. You've got a link, like for example, from my website, it's adminovative.com/quicklinks. It's my business name linking to my website. And I get to retain control over the design and the features that I want to include. So there are certain features or aspects of the Linktree that are limited unless you upgrade to a pro paid version. So of that is control over the colors, control over the branding. And so if I want to include my brand colors, my teals and purples and pinks, my oranges or yellows, I have to upgrade to the pro plan. Well, I have a website where I can do that. And also, again, you get to save money because if you have Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or remarketing codes on your website, you all you have to do is create a links page and you can capture that data directly from your website as opposed to having to pay for the upgraded version of one of these links pages like Linktree, where you have to pay a monthly fee to use that data. And last but not least is the increase of web traffic. All of the people, you can, when you have your Google Analytics set up, you can see where people are coming from, if they're coming from Instagram. So if you have a certain special that you've just put up, you can see where people are coming from. Hey, I just had a boost of clicks from Instagram. Ooh, that's working. It's not working. Um, yeah, and then when people come into that quick link page or your links page and check out whatever offers you have, then they might scroll around and go explore the rest of your site to see what else you have to offer. So I'm not here to bash any platform. Like I said, I was using Linktree as well, and it's great for people who may not even have a website up. So if I'm a entrepreneur and I have a lot of affiliate links, or I do a lot of affiliate networking and I don't necessarily have a website of my own, it would be great for me to have a Linktree. I just put up all of the affiliate links to all of my offers, and that would work for me. Or if my website is under construction, I don't have anybody on my team that can do it for me, and I just don't have the time to do my own quick links page, then Linktree would work great for you. So now that I've explained a little bit about the benefits of a links page or an Instagram page, I also wanted to show you how mine looks on the computer, how it looks on mobile, and show you through one of my client sites how you can create your. All right, so here we're looking at my links page or my Instagram landing page. This is how it looks on the computer, and it's just your basic page. I have my offers and my links prioritized with my opt-in first, the invitation to join the Facebook group, discovery calls, some of my affiliate links, and then another invitation to join my email list. So let's see what it looks like on mobile. So this is it on mobile, and pretty simple. Bam. I have my heading, I have all my buttons or my offers. Once again, the same. It's as simple and straight to the point as possible. And then if they continue to scroll, they can see my bio and link to my Facebook and More of the same links that are up at the top. So now I'm going to show you how to create one. My website, I built my website, a customized child theme from BeTheme, and I highly recommend BeTheme. And the other WordPress theme that I highly recommend is Avada. And Avada is what I used to create this website for my client. Hey Joel, if you're watching, if you're watching, I'll connect with you after this tutorial so that we can get this page up and running. But surprise, I'm using your website for this tutorial to create a links page for you for your Instagram. So again, Manolo Jelinski, which is Joel Ortiz's website, was built using Avada. So all I did was create a new page. We named it links, just keep it pretty simple. And then we started to build the page using the Fusion Builder, which is the native page builder for the Avada theme. And I did Joel's quick links or landing page differently than mine, where because he's not as active on social media. And so I want people to learn a little bit more about him when they go to that quick links page. They want them to see his picture and read his bio to learn a little bit more about him before they click to go to the shop. Or it might further entice them to want to contact him or book him for photography. So, as I said, we set up the page. I added his picture, and then again I added in his bio. And here we are with the buttons. I use buttons to create the links on my page and also on this page, Joel's page in Avada. So all we did was create an element and create a button. You add in the URL for whatever page that you want to direct it to. You name the button, and then you go over to design and you customize the design. Here you could select a custom color. If you wanted to leave it at the default blue of his theme. I want the button to be flat, to be large, and I want the button to span the width of the container. And I will show you why after we publish the page. And we want it to be square. We don't want rounded edges. And that's it. So of course this is a duplicate button, but I just wanted to go back through the process with you. So I created a button to go to the shop, one to go to the photography page, and one to go to his contacts page. All right, so we've published a page, and now let's take a look at it. So here's the page on the computer, but again, most people will be accessing it from mobile. So let's take a look at that. So again, we have his photo, we have his bio, his introduction. I think I'll take the font down or take the bold off. And here we have the buttons: shop, photography, and contact. Simple. And again, I had it span the width of the container. The button span the width of the container. It catches your eye. It almost spans the width of whatever device you're on. Here on manolojelinski.com and here on my website as well. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple, straightforward process. Well, I say simple, but pretty straightforward process to create your own Instagram landing page for your WordPress site. If you had any comments or questions or needed any advice for your site, feel free to leave me the comments below. And if you needed help with building maybe your website from scratch, a web refresh, or integrating a landing page in your own website, I'd love to connect with you. We can set up a discovery call and take it from there. So again, thank you for joining me today for Tidbit Tuesday here in the Digitally Savvy and Social Collective. Take care.